ki khubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra ashapi taka net foodish or dharma phi nginwan ra amangi hakhrdop ying jongpi
Ka Composite Regional Center Shillong hagasni balang jong ka arpulai tari gunai leber arajar arpu ar kala sam kitiar jingele kai bat kitiar bapundan kam hakatho ka puli sha ki khna ki badan jingduna ha ki khot bet hagajingelang ka balalong ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong Hagani ka jing sam ya kini kitiar ki ba ajing mentoy ya ki khna school la sakhilang do principal secretary katanat ka khot ka khya usampat kumar ubalalong kum kongsan ka commissioner for persons with disabilities ka sarkar jilla ka sabrela b marak u director jong katanat social welfare u diki di shiran u assistant professor ka special education u ram shakal sahani u badairu u officer in charge jong ka crc shillong bat kiwe
Today we are organizing here 5th ADIP TLM kit distribution camp in East Khasi Hill, Meghalaya. TLM kit, it means teaching learning material. Teaching learning material for intellectual disability and for multiple disability, Divyangjan person with disability. So this teaching learning material is very useful and very beneficial for the intellectual and multiple disabled children. This teaching learning, with the help of this teaching learning materials, parents can teach own children at home, and also we are providing training for DSWO and CBR worker and MR workers and SSA teachers. So after this distribution from April 2022, we will be starting training programs for CBR worker, MRWs and SSA workers. So because the CBR worker and MRWs are directly involved with the intellectual disabled children and multiple disabled children. So they are professionals. They are going in the community, in the village, at home, and they are guide to the parents how they can teach. And also the training of this professional, we will organize the training for the parents. So after the training program, the parents will be fully able to teach own children. So this is very good approach to reach the person with disability at home, in village, in community, and also the help of the professionals. The ADIP distribution camp is totally free. We are organizing this camp for the intellectual and multiple disabled children. So first we receive a list of the beneficiary from the office of DSWO. So they provide us the list of the beneficiary, and after a very good discussion and well arranged planning, we organize this camp. So DSW is responsible to bring the children for person with intellectual and multiple disability from village to the venue of distribution camp. This distribution is totally free, and we have a eligibility criteria. In the eligibility criteria, we are just asking the income certificates. So those who are below 15,000 monthly income, we are providing free of cost this aids and appliances, including teaching learning material, those who are giving today. And we need Aadhaar card and especially the UDID card. So UDID card and income certificate, Aadhaar card, and also ration card is important for the eligibility criteria. Today's program, total 130 beneficiaries with escorts, with his or her parents are here. So accessibility is very important actually. So government is trying to do the barrier-free environment everywhere. You know, when you are walking in the mall and shopping place, in the bazaar and in other community places. So we are trying to do a barrier-free environment for person with disability. Because of if the barrier-free environment is everywhere, then movement is very easy for person with disability. And also we are conducting the training programs. during training programs, we are providing training for the professional, for the school teachers and school principals, and also for other departments, how they can support to the person with disability and person with disabled children, and how they can behave with him, because you know that before 10 to 20 years there are so many discrimination with the children with disability, but now the government is working and also some NGOs are working for the awareness. So due to the awareness, the people is also aware that they are thinking that yes, that person for disability is also part of our community, and also they are part for the contributing in every activities, because you know the sometime the people are discriminate with the person of disability when they are going in the party, when they are going in the birthday party, when they are going in the marriage party, they are not going with the disabled children because they are feeling shy. Yes, my child is disabled, so how I can go, and how the people we can say that your child is disabled. But now awareness is very important. So CRC Shillong is also planning and doing some activity for awareness in the community and awareness in the schools, because the school is also very important part. When the school going children is very aware and they think that the person of disability is also my brother and my sister, then they can behave very good. And also when they will be a part of the community after school, then they think they can feel then yes, they are my friend. And also you know that now in all over India, as per the new education policy 2020, the inclusive education system is following in all over India. So with the help of the inclusive education system, the feeling is already coming in the heart, and they are thinking that yes, now the disabled person is not other, and also they are part of the our society, and they are also part of the education, they are also part of the each and everything. UD card. So UD ID card on the basis of the disability certificates. So in every state there is a state resource centers and the civil hospital. So professionals are responsible to make a disability certificate. So those who are above 40%, so the civil hospitals are making a disability certificates and submit to the UDID. Then from Delhi, the disabled person directly can receive a UDID card on the postal address.